Hey there shoppers, it's Amy and I have temporarily mounted this ultra bright wall sconce. This is absolutely fantastic for illuminating your yard, making your home a little bit brighter and a little bit safer. It is very easy to install. We will show you all of that and show you this great pair of lights. It is crazy bright, as you can see right here, very attractive, very modern. It's something that's going to match absolutely any home decor, and there is a photo cell, so it will automatically come on when it's dark, go off when it's light. Therefore, you save time, effort, energy, and you never have to worry about forgetting to turn on or off your lights. Let's go ahead and kick it off right about now. Okay, you guys, we have this temporarily mounted here. It comes again in a set of 2, and this is an absolutely fantastic LED light. LED lights are going to save you so much energy compared to those old incandescent counterparts. They are much more environmentally friendly, and I think it gives you a brighter, wider, crisper light. This was super easy to install. All you have to do is unscrew a few screws on the back and then hook up your positive, negative, and ground wire. It comes with everything you need. It's very simple and it only takes a few moments. You're gonna notice that this is nice and weatherproof, so it's perfect for having outdoors and you never have to worry about rust, corrosion, or wearing away over time. It's going to look just as good years later as it does today. I definitely love that it does have a photo cell, meaning that during the day, it's automatically going to be off, and when it gets dark, it will automatically turn on. I love not having to think about, oh my goodness, did I turn the lights on or did I turn the lights off? This just takes care of it for me. We have one of these in our backyard, and I'm telling you, I love it, Adam loves it, but I think the biggest fan is our little dog, Biscuit. He does not like going outside in the dark. He's a little bit afraid of the yard, so getting him to go potty at night was a bit of a struggle until we got these awesome lights. They illuminate our entire backyard. It makes him feel safer. He's able to go out, and it's just very convenient. I also personally like this because it just makes me feel safer as well. Having an illuminated yard means that you're less likely to have intruders, you're going to feel safer, and you're just going to be safer. Plus, everything's going to look very nice. You don't have to worry about tripping. This is just a really fantastic light. It is an easy DIY home upgrade and improvement. I highly encourage you guys to stick around. We're going to show you the up close and the unboxing, all of the stuff that comes with it, as well as the really easy instructions. I'm telling you 6 easy steps and you are good to go. Once you're finished with that, go ahead, you guys, and get to shopping. You're going to be so happy you did. Okay, shoppers, as promised, the up-close portion of the video where I'm going to give you an up-close, detailed look at these fantastic wall sconces. So they do come in a set of 2, and just check out this quality and the exact look so you will know exactly what to expect. All made of really quality materials. Everything looks very heavy duty, of course approved for outside, and they are really rather attractive. So you've got all your space for mounting on the back here. And again, the second one in the set is exactly like it. This is made out of a high quality rust proof material. You're going to get both lights as well as the pads for mounting. This looks familiar to you probably because it's exactly what's here on the back, and that's going to give you the lining up for your installation. Also for your installation and the wiring, you're going to get these little orange caps so you can hook this up with your negative, positive, and your ground, and then cap them off with these little caps that are included. Don't worry about installation. It is very simple, and this tells you exactly what to do and how to do it in 6 easy steps. Super simple. Anyone can install these and add some brightness and style to your home. These do come on automatically, so it's going to be perfect for some security in your lawn, great for pets, great for visitors, and they look super stylish as well. And again, made of super high quality materials, and a lot of illumination here. So you can see that is designed to be bright, 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 and really get the most out of all of those lumens. These are a fantastic product. I know that you guys have gotten to see it in action, so you already know how beautiful and bright these lights are. Go ahead, you guys, and get to shopping. You're gonna be so happy you did.